Hi guys. And I greet people outside the country. Like,
Hello.
yung may dating, di ba?
Dating naman
Yang.
yan, dating.
Yang. Biglang harap, biglang harap.
Hello, may dating. Sige na, laki mo.
Grabe. May pinagdadaanan siya.
Oh, hi, Kai. Siya. Ganda naman.
You're hurting my eye.
I'm sorry, man. I didn't mean to do that.
Annyeonghaseyo!
Bulam na kinantaya at ngay, saka taya rin tangkay. Na kanina.
Annyeong!
Elan din.
Siya, magsalita ka naman!
Ano sasabihin ko? Ayun na, okay na. Ay, Kuya RJ, tanggalin mo na.
Salita. Oy,
Ay, hindi na.
Paano lang ang iPhone ngayon?
Ay, hindi man. Yung ilong daw niya, napopokus.
sanay dyan.
Sanay ako dito. Sige na.
Artista.
Di ba kasi mano
Oh,
ko eh.
magalabi. Magalabi. Oh. Oh, guys, you talk. Now I come.
Uy, ba't ang taimi?
Tahimik.
What's now? Just don't mind the video. Just don't mind it.
It's like when we watch, what's that? What's the movie? When the webcam is on, your laptop.
Final destination.
Ayan! Final destination.
I remember that.
I remember that. I was
It came out to my mind, and then I would say, "Fuck." Yeah.
And I was like,
That's like funny, right?
when is
Actually, she's watching Final Destination, and then she don't know that
forgot that the webcam is on.
it's on and it's in recording mode.
Yeah.
Yeah, and
the
all
whole movie was
all her
recorded.
reactions, yeah, has been
I was like
recorded. But you look like you're like an actress in the video because you're like you're still in poise, right?
Yeah, but I found out that I'm not good in camera.
Is that Gretel's laptop?
In your laptop, I guess. Yeah, in your laptop.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah, that's it. Oh, no more. End of conversation again.
Is that goat? Is that all what you can do, guys? To laugh?
Pwede ba maglagay kayo ng alak dyan?
Wow, good suggestion, man.
Nagjo-joke lang ako. Ganun na nagjo-joke ngayon.
Ay, let's all laugh. It's all
Okay? Oh, Brian nga isa.
Siya, you.
Pengat lunga rin eh. Bala mo rin kay Liay lang pero para-pares na rin ako.
Kaya magkatulad eh. Pagkatuwid.
So
What's next?
what's new on you guys?
Yeah. Yeah, say something about yourself. It's like, oh, guys, you don't know that I am like that.
Oh,
Describe yourself. I am John Kenneth. Nung kanina tita. Hindi sinabi ka ng konti, describe yourself. Sabihin mo lang pangalan mo, Adan.
describe yourself. Hindi mo lang pangalan.
Yeah, it was a wrong mistake.
The wrong mistake.
Acting ka nga, guys. Si Sora. Pa-daily na acting. Guys, barong kakikikain niya. Walang kwenta yung video na. Pag umarap sa inyo, tumatawa lang kayo eh. Pag gusto nyo.
Kaya huwag kayong tumawa, umiyak kayo.
Ah!
Now you're opening up.
Manano familiaris yan?
Yeah,
What happened to you guys? Between you guys.
what happened? Why are you crying?
Ba't may takasubik kasi?
Upload yan!
Lalo ko maganda kapag gano'n. Kaya umiyak ako.
Mga gano'n yan.
Break na lang. Ano pa break?
Hindi pa?
Baka mag-break na. Hindi pa.
Ali, nanyaw rin tsura. Ito, nanyaw tsura.
Eh, mo santing.
Ay, kit mo niya din. Ni masanting ko ka nga, dwa? Ay, pinas.
Ano pa mo kakap?
Sige, Bruno Mars City. Ilanin.
Kabalo. Yan ang sabi.
Tang girlfriend na nitong ko yan na.
Hindi maganda daw.
Uy, ate na yan!
Nasabi mo na. Malasing na. Ay, ito. Sabihan mo na.
Ay, ate may text.
Pasan mi, siyempre. Kami mag-reply.
At teacher, may
Nora
likaw.
tigawat mo, Red. Ay, mawakakit din.
Ako na talaga kakit na kasi
Ay, bulawakit din ah.
Potang karabo kaya kaya wala makakit mo na ako.
Wow.
Grabe. Ano kung tigawat kayo niya?
Maninayan na kayo talagang pikay na. Panya pingilan ko kaya na ikaw na. Tawa lang ng tawa, wala nang ginawang tumawa.
Paano ba ito sabihan mo na kang isang ano ito?
Pero kaluguran ng boyfriend na niyan eh.
Malago ko ka no?
Kaluguran may, di ba?
Wow.
Ay, liwayang wanan eh. Liwayang wan.
Wow.
Paminta ka subik.
Ano ta ka subik sang? Why?
With the other boy.
Ay,
Other... Uy! Boy! May upload dyan.
Ay, sorry. Ay,
I don't mean
I don't mean. Sorry sa aking kuwasabi. Kaya Benitang kapatid na po itang kahit ang bata na kapatid na. Makakotsilata kan to. Alas 6 pa. May ko nala. Eh, sorry yung sabi ko.
o ba guy, dayan.
Pagtanggol.
Ali, kasi kaya may ngagakon to, lalong lalago, di ba? Pagka mangaga ko. Kaya ito. Yawa ako.
Ano nga ka rin yung ka-pimples na. Mga gay.
Diba, ano, tas may cover kaya naman yung, no, nito. Nang problema na kaya? Ano niya, miss? No, miss.
Glenn, tsura iroro kasi Glenn eh.
Hindi niya nga liwang babae.
Kilala niya ika? Ikaw kilala ba?
Pating mulokot nga acting. Wala mo tang hindi ikaw yan eh. Parang may kasama, may acting talaga. Yeah.
Gawa na ako kayang kendo.
Gawa kang yelo, tapos sumya siya ngayon eh. Pa-power kayong kayong ref na eh.
Negative 100.
mga pagkakanin naman ni Dayan, kaya lalayo kasi. Bisanay naman magpalago kay
Aliyah, she's just like playing her role as an ate.
Yeah.
I understand that.
Oh, tayo pa kasi kwento eh. Oh. Tapos,
Tapos na.
But you didn't do anything wrong. Ha? Wala kang ginawang masama. Wala. Sumama ka lang naman sa subik, di ba? Sino kasama?
Harap mo na kaya kang camera mo.
May kaya masyadong ma-expose. Hindi pwede, kailangan malayo.
Masalan.